Hello and welcome to the Deepblocks Zoning Report tutorials. We're going to start with a quick overview. This is a very simple product to get instant zoning information. So all the green dots, that's where we have zoning. And let's say we wanted to understand better certain area of New York. All you have to do is zoom in. You select the parcel. It will gather all the fields available for that parcel. It will give you a preview to the fields that are available. You will not be able to see the data at this point. And when you like the report, you go through the payment process, you read the agreement. I will purchase a report. I have completed my purchase, and now I can generate the report, and it will give me a PDF with all of the data for the fields that were provided. So here's my PDF for this address. And it has, for example, buildable area by FAR, maximum units allowed. These are numbers that we generate ourselves, so you wouldn't be able to get this in any other report. And then all the details of the New York zoning for that parcel. It's a lot. New York parcel has a lot of parameters. So then we download the report, because once we close the report, it is not saved. You do not have a subscription here. You simply are able to download any report very quickly at a very reasonable price. With that, it'll tell you to do that. That concludes the overview of the Deepblocks Zoning Report.